My darling child, today is the ideal moment to accept my words and let them to strike a deep chord within you. They include my love, wisdom, and a promise of benefits that will open your heart. A season of divine favor is coming. Blessings created by my hand are ready to pour into your life, and you can trust in my timing. If some doors are still closed, it's because their time hasn't come. What I have for you will come naturally and without effort. Let go of the need to push things through. My plans are flawless. Concentrate on your daily development, because every little step you take in faith serves as the cornerstone of the larger trip I have planned for you, and every step has the capacity to transform. It's not always easy to trust my divine plan. I know that life is full of challenges, and that you may go through periods of uncertainty or adversity, but rest assured that every moment is a part of my plan, and that every obstacle is molding you into the beloved vessel I created. Even in the most trying times, my hand leads you, and nothing in your path is wasted in the upcoming month. Get ready for my move. If God is for you, then who can be against you? The time for your breakthrough has come, and I'm ready to move powerfully in your life. Look to me, and I'll open your eyes to see the promised land ahead. November will bring you unexpected blessings, joy to renew your spirit, healing and restoration of what you've lost. You'll wake up transformed and ready to step fully into my vision for you. You'll realize that I've been with you every step, guiding you with purpose. Nothing can stand in the way of my plans for you, even if others doubt or misunderstand my promise for you. I'll give you unwavering faith and a purpose to help you get through each day. I may change your plans, but trust that it's to make you a light to others. Your current situation, whether it be the global economy or other factors, won't affect my blessings. My word is unwavering, and I will provide for you abundantly. I'll align the right people, open the right doors, and fulfill my promises, because only I can change your path in an instant, lift you up, and help you achieve everything I've said. Have faith, because I'm with you. Trust in my promises, and you'll get everything I've prepared for you, like this video. If you believe in God, the Lord speaks to you today with a promise based on divine faithfulness. I have put an open door before you that no one can close. He wants you to know that blessings and dreams that seemed unattainable are now becoming available to you, and that miracles that seemed far away are now getting closer to touching every aspect of your life. His healing, restoration, and boundless grace are pouring out upon you, and that you are about to enter a season unlike any other that you have ever experienced, one where His provision, peace, and joy will overflow. God is preparing to make a way where there seemed to be no way. You are not abandoned or overlooked. He is breaking open paths to joy, health, and abundant resources. He is leading you from the wilderness to a place of purpose and peace. Trust that you are in His hands, and His timing is perfect. Those obstacles you once thought insurmountable, those moments of delay and despair, He is turning all of it into testimonies of His power and love. Every tear, every struggle, every quiet moment of faith has brought you to this pivotal place where His light is shining brighter than ever. Jesus says you are so close to your breakthrough. This is why the challenges have felt overwhelming, why the struggles have felt unending. But know this: the enemy sees the blessings being prepared for you and trembles. Knowing that you are about to step into the promises of God, stand firm, for the word reminds us, let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Be steadfast, for you are on the edge of reaping a harvest beyond your imagination. Dear God's child, let go of your doubts and raise your heart in anticipation. Prepare to witness God's handwork in your life in ways that will exalt His name and revitalize your soul type. He has seen the seeds you have sowed, the faith you have carried, and the prayers you have spoken in the stillness of the night. 1111. Be encouraged, because He has shown you His favor, and His goodness will not be withheld if you are ready to accept these promises. Walk through the open door He has put in front of you and live in the abundance He is bringing into your life. Have you ever questioned why you haven't been able to show up? Dear child, it's easy. If you're a spiritual person hoping to make a difference in your inner circle, you need something distinctive. Listen carefully to this message, Southwest. After you hear this 1-minute prayer, you will begin to attract wealth and abundance into your life, and within 7 days, blessings will pour in. This 1-minute prayer from biblical times brings wealth and abundance into your life. Would you want it? To learn the wealth secrets of divine prayer to draw money and abundance into your life, click the link below. The Lord will continuously guide you and provide for all of your needs. As you receive the abundant blessings He lovingly bestows upon you, He will fortify your heart and restore your soul, turning you into a flourishing garden like a spring whose waters never run dry. May your life be a source of nourishment to others, bringing them closer to Jesus and demonstrating His healing power via your journey. Be steadfast in your faith and embrace the freedom that comes from putting your trust in Him now. Avoid the temptation to judge your circumstances only by their appearances, and instead lean in and seek the Lord's presence in every situation, because He has something valuable for you to discover truths and insights that will carry you into your next season of promise. Stop and listen for the gentle whisper of God, because He speaks in the stillness of your heart. Respond to the slightest nudge of the Spirit within you and follow the next step He places before you. Remember that you belong to Him and that He controls your fate. Today, know that the same person who commands the stars to shine also holds you firmly in His embrace. No matter how difficult or lonely your challenges may appear, you are never alone. God is at your side, ready to speak truth and love into your life. Keep your heart open to His messages. Keep your ears open to His voice. Trust that everything will unfold according to His perfect timing, and allow His plans to develop naturally rather than forcing an early conclusion. May the joy of Jesus envelop you, reviving your spirit and renewing your strength, and fill your prayers with new faith, with His light illuminating your path. He is close at hand, ready to speak truth and love into your life. My dear child, I am here with you through every storm in your heart, lifting away the anger, fear, and stress that have weighed you down. Rest assured that I am taking away all of your worries and replacing them with my endless love, deep healing, and abundant blessings. Accept the journey and allow the process to reveal its beauty in your life. He is the one who leads out the vast array of stars by number, calling them all by name because of His great power and strength. Listen to me today, remain still, and trust that I am God. Let go of your hold on things that are out of your control, because I am the Lord, and I will always be loyal. I am leading you on this journey with a purpose, even when you feel alone or encounter difficulties. Sometimes I let go of the comforts you usually have, so you can learn to draw strength from my Spirit within you. These difficulties are meant to show you the resilience I have placed in your soul and to serve as a reminder of my constant presence. Trust that I am solid and completely in charge, even when things seem confusing. I know that no circumstance is beyond my control, and even when things seem chaotic, they are still under my careful guidance as I plan every step and turn every suffering into a greater benefit. Give your worries to me, knowing that I am resolving everything in accordance with my knowledge, which is far above your comprehension. I am the everlasting God, protecting you and directing you at every turn. There is no one else but me. I am the Lord. Put your worries in my hands, knowing that I am already bringing you peace and fulfillment. Take heart, my love, and know that my comfort is always with you because my peace is immovable. Type 555. I am healing the broken areas in you, nurturing places that need growth, and preparing a season of renewed hope and abundance. Today, declare that you will not allow worry to overcome you in things that you cannot control. When you are prepared to accept my peace and place your burdens at my feet, the Lord's Spirit speaks to the tired and broken in a gentle yet forceful manner, saying, I know your journey has been long and you have felt the weight of it. But I am with you and I have never left you. Soon you will see my wonders beyond your wildest dreams. Hold on, my love. Don't settle here. My timing is perfect, and what I have in store for you is worth every moment of waiting. This promise I am fulfilling for you is unique. It is a treasure designed to bring glory to my kingdom and bring you immense joy in the spiritual realm. A powerful change is occurring where darkness has tried its hardest to drag you down. Your breakthrough is approaching. Although the enemy has attacked my faithful ones fiercely to deter them, I have intervened on this very day, and my power surrounds you from above. The air is thick with my blessing like clouds ready to release their rain. So know that I am at work, bringing renewal to arid regions and sending a new wind of change across your life. This is the season of spring, a time of renewal and new beginnings. Observe how the air is filled with the scent of transformation. The flowers bloom, as though touched by my hand, and the parched earth rejoices with new rain. My spirit is stirring, whispering, don't miss this favorable moment. Don't let it pass you by. When hopelessness overwhelms you, look up and ask yourself, if God is for me, who can stand against me? I want to bless the world through you, my child. Lift your gaze and know that heaven is supporting you and that my love is all around you. Remember my promise in Isaiah 40:31. Replace your complaints with praise and your resentment with prayer. However, those who put their faith in the Lord will regain their strength. Soar like eagles, run without fatigue, walk without weakness, and let these words fill your heart with courage. You are not where you are by accident. This place is merely a stepping stone, and my plans are greater than you could have ever imagined. Get ready, for I am setting you up for an abundance of blessings that you will not be aware of. Only adversity and lack of my favor are approaching you, and I am establishing you in my goodness with unexpected breakthroughs and unexpected blessings. Prepare yourself, because this place is temporary and bigger things are coming. I am bringing abundance where there was once emptiness, peace where there was distress, and strength where there was weakness. Will you be willing to accept my promise and enter this new season? If so, type yes in faith and let it be. Thank you, God, for giving me life and happiness and for leading me down the correct path of salvation and peace. I love you. Please click the subscribe button to support our channel and be the first to know about new videos.